What if I told you you could extend your house and give it a complete modern look without touching or disturbing your ground floor? Sounds difficult, right? Especially if it's an old load-bearing house. Well, we did exactly that. This old bungalow you're looking at right now, we transformed it into this complete modern home without disturbing the ground floor at all. Let me show you how we did this. The whole structure is load-bearing, so we couldn't do rebarring or any RCC extension directly on it. We simply built the new walls directly above the existing walls. Since they are aligned, the weight goes straight down through the same wall line, so it's simple and stable. The balcony was a different problem though. Since it projects outward, it needed its own support. So we gave it MS section support all the way from the ground up to the balcony bottom. But the real challenge was still ahead. Above this, we had to build a wall that isn't straight, it's tapered. Regular brickwork can't do that. So we used MS framing again, added mesh, then covered it with cement plaster. And this is where it gets interesting. This tapered wall wasn't just a design choice. It was built for one specific reason, to hold up the slab above it. Here is the part most people get wrong. That circular opening wasn't cut into the slab after it was built. It was already there before the concrete was even poured. So that circular cutout, the balcony, the tapered wall, all of it came from one old load-bearing house. No demolition, no rebuilding from scratch. If your house is old too, and you have been wondering whether something like this is even possible, yes it is. Reach out to us, we'll show you how. If this changed how you see your own old house, share it. Someone out there needs to see this too.